In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Genshin Impact to Steam in just 5 minutes. We all love having our games organized in one place, and Steam is one of the best platforms for managing your game library. Let's jump right into it and get Genshin Impact added to your Steam account. First, make sure you have the Steam app installed on your computer. Once you're ready, open the Steam application. Notice the sign in button at the top right corner. This is where you'll start the process. Go ahead and click on it to log into your existing Steam account. If you don't have an account already, this might be a great time to create one, though today we'll assume you already have one set up. Now, a login screen will prompt you to enter your account credentials. Simply type in your account name and password and be extra careful to ensure that these are correct to avoid any login issues. After entering your details, click on the sign in button to access your Steam homepage. Once you are on the homepage, direct your attention to the library tab located at the top of the screen. This is where all of your games are listed and where you'll be able to add new non-Steam games like Genshin Impact. Click on the library tab and then look for an option towards the bottom left corner that says add a game. Selecting this will give you a few options. What you want to look for is the add a non-Steam game option, so go ahead and click on that. This action will open a new window that allows you to browse through your local device files. Your goal here is to locate the folder where Genshin Impact is installed. If you're not sure where it's located, consider checking in your program files or wherever third-party games are typically saved on your device. Once you've found the Genshin Impact launcher or executable file within your file system, click to select it. After selecting Genshin Impact, you'll see an option to add selected programs at the bottom of the window. Clicking on this button will finalize the process, allowing Genshin Impact to appear in your Steam library. From now on, you can run the game directly from Steam, enjoying the benefits of overlay features and more seamless access. And just like that, you've added Genshin Impact to your Steam account. This process is quick and efficient, making it easier for you to keep all your games centrally managed in Steam's user-friendly interface. If you encounter any issues, just double check the file path or ensure your Steam client is up to date. Thanks for watching today and happy gaming.